Oh, a late start today? Oh, look at this. Nice new cover. Thank you, Gio. What's up? What's up? What's up? Ah! Oh, sorry. It's just one of those days. You ever just like really need to wake up early, and for some reason you don't wake up early, and then you're running around in the morning trying to get ready as fast as you can, and you just don't feel like a human? That was me this morning, and I had to load up alvise because we're doing a triple Yamaha service in the water and changing a trim motor, I think, something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna be standing in the water again doing a Yamaha service. And I don't know if any of you guys saw the last one I did. I had to take that video down for reasons I don't want to discuss on here, but I'm sorry if you guys didn't get to see that video. That one was beautiful. But we're in the rig, almost done in this little bit of traffic we got this morning, and we're going to meet Joe Jeef down south to bust out a beautiful triple Yamaha 300 service, plus the replacement of a trim motor. Let's hope I don't drop anything or break anything. Thank you. You have a beautiful day. Hang on, darling, còn bánh gà không? Well, here we are on Mr. Alvise himself. We're starting to do the service. Nick's got the oil getting sucked, but first of all, this trim motor is bad. Let me go click it for you. No bueno. So to get this out in the water, we need to get this lower unit up. So we got dock line tied to here, and then I'm gonna give this to Nick, and he's gonna wrap something around that, and we're just gonna chain fall it as I pull. He chain falls. We'll see. You're learning with me. All right, we got that set up.
I think you're gonna have to tighten up.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's so scary.
Did he get the mag mount for the cam?
It's whatever one that came with the no, he didn't get that one. It was some other one that came with the Garmin.
Oh, okay.
I'm not a fan of it. You gotta screw it to the boat.
Yeah.
But I guess that's really the only options.
So they do make a ram one that would go like on my rail that I have on the inside. And it'll just clamp it to the rail, and then you pivot that arm over to where you lock it.
Oh, these are your favorite sensors, aren't they?
Yeah, remember the direction of those.
Yes, like this. Does this come off too? I don't want anything to fall.
Yeah, that black plastic
That pops
slides
off. Okay.
And then after that, it's just the thing.
Oh.
What kind of motor do you like best? What kind of motor do you like best? Like count for it? Yeah. Exactly what you have.
Yep.
By far. By far.
They're just simple and good. Reliable. They haven't changed anything on them in a long time.
Yeah, this platform's been going for over 15 years.
I could pass this to you. Oh, yeah.
forgot 2 more bolts for the whole schmagegi. Got 1 Allen, 2 Allen, and then there's 1 in the back.
I'm happy that Yamaha finally started painting them white.
Yeah.
Everyone wanted them white, and then they were great.
Yeah. I do like the look of the white ones better, but I guess it depends on your application or your boat.
Yeah, we dubbed those Evergreen into those different white.
Oh, did they?
And a lot of it's taken off. The lower units are
Only thing I wish for boats, it's hard, except for hardcore fishing, is I would have rather had just polished aluminum for my rail versus the powder coat, which you know is going to take a hit at some point.
yeah, no matter what, the powder coat
Yeah.
starts bubbling eventually.
Out there.
Nice and centered.
Don't have your backup rope on that one. Getting risky.
Easy. See?
Yeah. No hill for a climber.
Grab them or you want me to?
I'll get it.
No, I
I'm
got it.
working on that one.
I'll get this one a little easier and closer. Nice. I wish they just had the shaft stay in the boat. You know,
Yeah.
have it disconnect.
From the top of the pump.
Yeah, that would make install so much easier.
So much easier.
There we go. Got way more room now. But you need swell. And that's the problem with Florida. There's no swell
No
because
swell.
the Bahamas block all the swell. So all the good waves are in the Bahamas.
Okay.
Yep, I do love surfing here because the water is usually warm. But now there's so many people who thought surfing would be a good thing to pick up and try.
Oh, great.
So there's no empty spots. It's worse than fishing. You know when you go fishing and you're anchored somewhere and someone comes right next to you?
Drives me crazy.
Surfing's just like that, but you got 35 people paddle right next to you, and I'm like, there's not even waves here, guys. Get out of here.
I'd go out there on the reef and I'd find my own spot
Yep.
when I had my old bay boat and I was chumming, you know, just got a chum line going and head on spot lock, and then some guy will come up and get within like 20 yards of me. I'm like, you have the whole fucking ocean.
I know. They do the same thing surfing. Well,
big ball of mess, you know, they can actually go to sleep and
Alright, so we get some of my nuts.
That'll be fun. Do you guys scuba dive?
I do, yeah.
I thought I saw a bunch of dive gear out the other day, like a week ago or so.
Might have, I'm probably pulling it out of there, cleaning. I
Oh,
keep some of it in here, but yeah.
that's a fun sport.
Yeah, very relaxing.
Yeah, it is. Well, enjoy your afternoon.
Yeah, you too. Oh, that sucks even steering something. You said you lose that in an inlet. You lose that in point inlet, you really do. Yeah.
That's what happened to that one guy that
I saw a Freeman, something happened to it in there.
on Sloat Bay maybe, that was up on the jetty at Boynton.
Oh.
I actually like it when my boat's flooded. Hose it down. I had a good day.
Start trucking some of this stuff out. I need to get a water. You want a drink?
Yes, please.
Dying.
I was just drinking like the condensation out of mine.
I can get you a Yeti cup full of, I got a water cooler.
Making shift. We're ready to go.
Now, Michael, how are you? Good, how are you?
What I have to do for try to get this file of the drive so I can do some contact. Some maintenance?
Yeah, 100 hours.
Probably marathon.
Grease. Oh yeah, got that service all done. My body is hurting, getting too old for this, but I gotta check out a few things on these two boats. We got on this Key West, we got nav lights now working, and while I'm here I'm gonna give the yellowfin that I rewired a look over. There's a few things that we need to take care of on that as well. So I'm gonna get him a price together for all that. Let's go. So we got a few concerns on the yellowfin. It's got a steering leak on the steering cylinders, and also the tie bar on here. It's the wrong size. So these motors, or the outer motors, are towed in too much, and you can see when you turn it all the way they rub. So I'm gonna get this all right and stop those motors from rubbing, get this stuff fixed. And also we got this problem, and you really don't want that when you're running 60 miles an hour and this thing rip off in your hands. So I'm gonna get all that taken care of. Whoa, these are the smallest navigation lights I've ever seen. That's gonna be fun trying to change that. I don't even know how to get to that. I'm gonna take this rod holder out. Oh, all right, well, I'm gonna get that ordered. I'm gonna get everything ordered for the yellowfin. He also said his courtesy lights aren't working, but I see them on. I'm not sure if there's another set of lights I'm missing, but while I'm here, it's been a long time since I caught a fish while working, so let's get it done. And if any of you guys want one of these telescopic rods, I highly recommend. This is from Amazon, and you can buy just this rod and put your favorite reel on it. And I got a nice Penn Senator, I believe, right? Oh, Penn Authority, sorry, from Mr. Adam Malusi. He's such a beautiful human. Nice. Water is very murky today, so it might be pretty good for the shrimp. Nice. Seems like the fish love hanging onto the boat. I'm just too scared to cast under there because I know I'll rip off. Let's see. Let's toss this under the boat. Let me just do it.